Wants to speed up your data frames by 10x? Then here we go. Follow us to know more about ML, DL, OpenAI, Python libraries, or generative AI. Let's start. So we have a library called Polars that is built on top of Rust and it uses Arrow. You may be thinking like for how Polar is making it 10x fast your data frame, right? So Polar uses all your cores first and it optimizes the queries that we do, okay, like group by or all the filters, all the functions that we call on a pandas. So it optimize that and it uses all your cores, okay, and it will able to handle the large data set also if you have it very big data and that is and you have a very less RAM, then also you can do that using polars, okay. And so polar is written in Rust and it gives you C and C++ performance, okay, and that's why polars is more faster than any other libraries for the data frame, okay. We'll go over how to install it. We'll use some functions of polars and we'll compare polars with Modin and normal pandas data frame and we'll check the speed, okay. So let's start. So to install it, pip install polars, okay, that's what you need to do to install it. And if you face any other issue like pyro is not defined, we'll use some functions of polars, okay. So I created a data frame over here. So it's simple data frame with fruits and cars and some numbers, okay. Now to filter it out your data, like here I want to filter out a column A where the values is 1, then you can use the same way as pandas, okay. And group by also you can use it. It's the same thing that we have it on our pandas. So group by fruits and you can sum it up, okay. Now here comes the PL or a polars thing. So now here what I am doing select, okay, the column and filter out the cars with battle and then sum it up. So what I wanted is a sum of all the values of the cars where the car is battles, okay, and sum the values by B, okay. So you see we don't have battley. So let's take, okay. So I want to sum of all the p values where car is OD. So you see we have 5 as number is a sum. So 5 is this this and that's why you see we got 5, okay. If you want to select, okay, some rows, then directly you can use it like this and you can sort it also. Okay. Now here comes some more logics of it. So firstly, let's run this. So first we got is a literal string, okay. That's like new column that we are creating. So to create it using, we can use lit. After that we can use, I'm doing it another thing that is filter out the values of car where the car is Bentley and sum it up, okay, and that's you can see it over here and it added to all the rows, not just to the one. So we got the sum same way as we did it here. So we got the sum and then it added for all the rows. After that, next one we have it here is a sum of fruits and another one reverse, how you can reverse it up, how you can sort it up and use it. So I already explained you. So next video is, next we will learn about how polar is more faster than pandas or modin. Polar is more faster than pandas or modin, right? So we'll check the speed over here. So I am importing the polars and then initiating the modin, okay. So let's restart this. Okay, I'm importing polars, then I'm initiating the array for modding. and importing pandas again. Firstly, we'll check it here, like how much time it will take. Okay, so you will able to see that I have a data set called taxi.csv, and that's a very big data, right? So it took around 3 seconds on a pandas, normal pandas, more faster. So you see it took around 1.5 seconds. That's half of it. And now check the speed of Polars. Now Polar imported everything in just 0.0 seconds. Do you believe? So that's why Polar is like more faster than any other data frame in the market right now. And it's very efficient, and you can do a lot of things using Polar and make it faster your production code. Okay, I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.